Hey, what's up guys? So just wanted to make this short little video on, a lot of you guys have been asking me kind of how I keep the Jeep clean in winter, and I'm going to use ammo frothe. So basically all I've done so far is, I drove around, it's kind of salty right now. So I drove around and then I came back here and I got buckets of water. I got to figure out if I can get a hose in the garage. So if I can get a hose in the garage, then I can, pull it over right here during winter time, pull it up there, hose it down, and then hit it with some frothe. So this isn't really going to be like the idea behind frothe is you don't have to use a hose. I'm just going to kind of use it as almost like a soap, just to at least get it on there, rinse off all the salt and everything, versus in the middle of winter, every time I come home, getting a towel and wiping the Jeep down. So I'm just gonna, just for maintaining it, so salt doesn't just sit on there, I'm gonna use the frothe on it, and then for now fill buckets up and just wash the frothe off. But so we're just gonna hit the whole Jeep here with frothe. Get it nice and thick here. And just get everywhere. I'm just going to do the frame too. Anywhere where salt can be hanging out, just spray this on. You can at least just have some of this froth. Just kind of grab onto all the nasty stuff and hopefully take it off as good as possible anyway. Alright, so we got the Jeep full of it. Got it all underneath there as well. Got it all dripping off, which is nice. So we're just gonna take a bucket and sort of douse her off. Get her nice and clean. So that's gonna do better than just water alone. Obviously, if I really want to get it all clean, I'm gonna go in there with some towels and wipe it all off. But this will be good just to get it at least off the Jeep, not sitting there, and then I can always, later, in the garage here, kind of wipe the Jeep down, detail it, make it nice and clean. So, but if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And yeah, let me know what you guys do in wintertime to keep your Jeep nice and clean. So, alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.